Passed with minor repairs. Paint and minor repairs required by owner or vendor. Photos of completed repairs required to submit certification to the AHJ. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Fire Escape Engineers, Inspector Cunha. Here I am, and this fire escape was just recently put up by Fire Escape Engineers. You can see all the new hardware, completely caulking everywhere, completely. As you can see coming down, this fire escape is in real good shape. I think the boys might have just put this up about 10 years ago, probably 10 years ago. This one is in real good shape. As I'm coming down, railing, secured, nice and tight. Out of railing, secured, caulking. May need a little touch up and some paint, but that's about it. As you can see, a little touch up, but it's still got all the caulking. As you can see it, a couple little spots showing. Overall, it's a good fire escape. Inspector Cunha signing off.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Passed with minor repairs. Paint and minor repairs required by owner or vendor. Photos of completed repairs required to submit certification to the AHJ. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.